room tour. Yan, pagpasok dito sa left, meron tayong hangiran ng damit. Hi, on the right, may mirror. Then, lalagyan ng luggage. And then, meron tayo ditong desk, may chair. Meron tayong fridge. And then, mayroong sariling microwave. And then, electric kettle. And then, on the right, meron tayong sariling toilet. Tapos, meron ditong electric na bidet. And then, meron tayong favorite bathtub. Then, ito na yung bed. So, for me, maluwag siya actually. For one. Hindi, siguro for two. Even for two. Tapos, may TV rin tayo. Pero, wala tayong view. Ay, meron naman konti. So, yan. So, I paid 5,900 pesos or for 4 days, 3 nights. So, pumapatak siya ng 1,900 lang per night. Very sulit. So, ito sa Live Max Tenjin West. So, yun. So, ma-enjoy natin ang ating last few days dito sa Japan. So, yun lang. Bye!